use root cause analysis, RCA, which we say. So we generally don't do a root cause analysis of defects, and we don't make a quality improvement plans of how to work further. Not able to fit QA in same sprint as development. This is one of the challenges I've seen in most of the agile teams is like they're not able to fit QA as well as development in one sprint. The iteration, many of the projects follow is 2 weeks of iteration or 3 weeks of an iteration. They're not able to fit the QA work as well as the development work in the same sprint. Don't think before test. Sometimes we actually believe that whatever is written in the user stories or whatever is defined in the requirements, we will be able to test it right on the spot. And we don't actually think much before it. And there's no upfront test planning, defining or understanding of use cases or scenarios. So before we start testing, we sometimes don't get into the details of the requirements, what it actually means. What is the understanding? What are the different test case scenarios which can come up? That is one of the contaminations which I have observed in many of the projects.
Sorry, are you suggesting all of these exist in most of these Scrum teams?
No, I'm saying it's my observation so far and my experience that I've seen. These are the contaminations which I've observed. And they might be applicable, they might not be applicable. In the next slide, I will suggest how to do a analysis so that which all requirements are applicable, we can take steps accordingly. The next one is QA not part of development team. Generally what I've seen is QA efforts are not estimated. We say that QA is a separate entity altogether or a separate resource, and it's not part of the development team. And it's like QA is only responsible for quality assurance. The quality, we say a QA lead or the testers, they are responsible for the quality assurance of a project. That is some kind of misconception which I've seen in many of the projects. Then the last one, but not the least, this is one of the major things which I would like to discuss is like no technical debt assessment and reduction plan. So when I say technical debt, we should understand what is the actual debt in the project at the moment and how we should grow and assess it and make it, remove it or make a plan to work on it. So this is one of the things which I suggest